Yeah, so now I'm putting my macaroni. That is it. That is it. That is it. So we're making some macaroni and cheese, Jamaican style, and the Korean chicken, Jamaican style. So stay tuned. So I'm adding a little salt to my macaroni. You know, that's quite a portion of macaroni, so I'm going to add a portion of salt. 1 teaspoon. That's enough. That is it. Don't get too excited when you see my salt. I'm not gonna put a lot of salt in here. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this just cook for 5 minutes only, because I don't want it to cook all the way. So 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna strain it, and by then I'm gonna start to do my ingredients for my cheese and my heavy creamer and my buttermilk. Yeah, that's a code. I'm getting my seasoning ready, cutting up my onion and all my chop. Chopping up my onion. I like a lot of onion. Macaroni and cheese. That's a code. We do what we do and we love what we do. I use a lot of garlic in my macaroni and cheese. Chopping up my garlic really fine. I'm not crushing my garlic because I want the crumbs of the garlic everywhere. That's it for my garlic. Habanero. This is my time. That's a code. Checking on my, oh, now I can take it off. It's ready. 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later, I can drain this now. I don't want it to cook all the way because it's gonna go in the oven and it's gonna spend another 25 minutes in the oven or 30. That time it will finish cook all the way, okay? That's my macaroni right here. I'm gonna base my frying pan with a little oil. I have an olive oil. I'm gonna base it with a little olive oil. Then I'm gonna come in with a little of my heavy creamer. No, not my heavy creamer, my bad. My heavy creamer. I'm gonna use my heavy creamer first. I'm gonna use my regular seasoning, my total seasoning, and my garlic powder. I'm gonna go in with a little garlic powder. I'm gonna go in with my total seasoning. Not a lot, about a teaspoon, and my regular seasoning. Okay, that's good. One stick of butter. One stick of butter. That's cool. Let it stay there and simmer. Simmer, 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 simmer. I'm gonna go in with my garlic and my habanero. My garlic, my habanero, and my thyme. As soon as my butter is melted, I'm going in with my cheese. What are we making? Macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna run this until it melted all out. Whole ton of cheese. That is it. Yeah, I'm gonna run this until it melted all out. Look at that. Ha creamy. Look at that. See that? Now I'm going in with my heavy creamer. Look at that nice heavy cream. Look at that. Nice heavy cream. Look at that. We're going to make it's on a low flame, so it all have to dissolve out. The cheese has to dissolve out and all come together as one. Now I'm gonna add my green onion, my bell pepper, and my onion. It smells so good. As soon as my cheese finish melted out, I'm gonna just put my macaroni inside. So now my cheese is all melted out. See? My cheese is all melted out. It's time for my macaroni. My pre-cooked macaroni. There you go. That's cool. That's a code. Macaroni and cheese. There you go. Nice creamy flavor coming up. It smells so good. It smells so magnificent. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until my macaroni finish boil and also the rest of my cheese is melted. Okay? Stay tuned. And look what we got. That's a code. That's a code. Now I'm gonna put it in my oven. I'm gonna sit it in the oven for 20 minutes. So my cheese can be melted and sink inside, and that's gonna be my macaroni and cheese. See you later. Time for the oven. "25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and it's done out of the oven," okay? Yes, my people, this is my final product of my mac and cheese. Take a quick look. Look at my mac and cheese. That's the final product. Now I'm about to make my plate. So I'm gonna make my plate with some of this mac and cheese. Mouth-watering mac and cheese. Look at that. So I have here some collard greens and the mac and cheese. I'm gonna taste right now. So here's my macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna dive into my macaroni and cheese right now. And also I have my collard greens on the side. If you like what I do, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. This mac and cheese is magnificent. Homestyle macaroni and cheese. I'm loving it. Tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe.